Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you a fantastic formula and the most amazing formula on integration by parts. Many students are suffering. Actually, the formula, the trick which I am going to tell you is very important for BSc and BTech students. Not only for BSc and BTech, for JEE and for postgraduate students and for all students, and for plus 2 students, that means who are reading in class 12, they can match the answer whether their answer is correct or not, because they have to do in detailed procedure. So the last answer, whether that last answer is correct or not, they can match the answer by doing in single line. Okay, so let us say, but my restriction is that while doing integration by parts, two parts should be there and one of the function should be a polynomial and the another part may be trigonometry, that means sine or cos, or it may be exponential. Okay, so let us see what is your procedure. See here, my procedure is that u into dv integration. Here I am taking two parts, u is one part and dv is another part. Okay, so how to solve? U into v minus u dash v down v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 plus so on. Here dashes represent derivatives and suffixes represent integrations. First of all, u is there and integrate the dv part so that you will get v, and then forget these things. Completely forget these things. I am taking plus minus alternate signs. Okay. So simply take the derivatives of the first function. U, derivative u is u dash, derivative u dash is u double dash, derivative u double dash is u triple dash, and so on. And the integration of dv is v, and integration of v is v1, and integration of v1 is v2, integration of v2 is v3, and so on. Okay, so let us say, and your formula is islet, and in case of islet, E is the exponential function, T is the trigonometric function, A is the algebraic function, L is the logarithmic function, I is the inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, so I am going to give you x cube into e to the power 2x into dx, and the function which comes first function is taken as u, and the rest part I am taking dv, and the rest part I am taking dv. That means here there are two parts, algebraic and this is exponential. Algebraic, exponential, and algebraic comes first. So take the algebraic as u, and the rest part is taken as dv. Take the first function as u and the rest part as dv. Okay, so what is our formula? U into v, u, that means x cube, dv, your dv is this one, and on integration of dv you will get v. How to get v? If you integrate dv, you will get v. Clear? So that means you have to integrate this part, and what is the integration of this one? E to the 2x by 2. E to the 2x by 2, because the integration of e to the mx is e to the mx by m. So e to the power 2x by 2. Write 2 here, don't write 2 outside. Minus, don't see here. Your chapter is over. Only see here. Derivative first part, that is 3x square. Integration of second part. E to the 2x by 2 and 2 is there. So e to the 2x by 4. E to the 2x by 4. Then plus derivative of first part 3x square. Derivative of 3x square is 6x. Because x square, derivative of x square is 2x, 2x into 3 it is 6x. And integration of this part, it will be e to the power 2x by 2 and 4 is there already. So it will be 8. Then minus, alternate sign I am taking. So derivative of 6x is 6 into. And integration of this part, the second part is e to the power 2x by 2 and 8 is already there. So 8 into 2 it is 16. And then derivative of 6 is 0 because it is a constant. So simply write constant of induction C. Okay, another example I am going to tell you. Another simple example I am going to tell you. See here, e to the power another x cube into cos 2x into dx. Here, this is polynomial, that means algebraic, and this one is trigonometric. Algebraic, trigonometric. So this one comes first. So this is u, and this total part is dv. Okay. So what is our formula? U. U means x cube into integration of cos 2x. And integration of cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. Clear? So minus derivative of x cube, it is 3x square. And integration of sin 2x by 2. Integration of this total. Find the integration of sin 2x, it is minus cos 2x by 2, and 2 is already there, so by 4, and put a bracket here. Then plus derivative of 3x square, it is 6x, into integration of this total part. Minus is there, 4 is there, so integration of cos 2x, it is sin 2x by 2. So minus is there, sin 2x by 2 and by 4 is there, so it will be 8. So put a bracket here. Then minus, alternate sign I am taking. So derivative of 6x is 6. And what is the integration of this one? Because the integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x by 2. So minus minus will become plus. So cos 2x by 2 and 8 is already there. So it is 16. And derivative of 6 is 0. So you should write the constant of integration. And actually, this one is very, very important. Those who are reading in +3, that means BSc, Physics Honours or Mathematics Honours. In case of Fourier series, it is very important. If they will apply this trick, then the Fourier series will become very easy. Because in Fourier series, in maximum cases, that means in 95 cases, they have to use this trick. And if they will not apply this trick, if they will apply the class 12 procedure, then it will take 1 page. For this particular problem, it will take 6 to 7 lines, which will be very complicated. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood this one. And if there will be any problem, if there will be any doubt, then please ask me and I will give you reply. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.